We are going to see how to form bus impedance matrix for a given network by using bus building algorithm. Last video we saw what is bus impedance matrix, procedure for bus building algorithm. I hope you understand the step-by-step procedure for bus building algorithm. Okay, let's see the example problem. Determine the Z bus for a 3-bus system as shown in figure, where the impedance are shown and the values are in per unit. The impedance diagram is given. This one is the 3-bus system except reference bus. First step, add a branch of impedance J0.1 from the new bus 1 to reference bus. Add a branch of impedance J0.1 from a new bus 1 to reference bus. This bus is very first time add in the first step. So it's called a new bus. Again, draw the equivalent circuit. Here, this one is come under case number 1. Case number 1, the impedance bus impedance matrix is equal to the previous bus impedance matrix. The new column and new row values all 0. Then diagonal element is equal to this new branch impedance. Here in this step, there is no other previous steps. So the old impedance matrix, there is no old impedance matrix. Therefore, the bus impedance matrix is equal to J.1. Here the order of the matrix is 1 by 1. The number of buses in the system is 1. So this one is the exact actual bus impedance matrix of this network. Now let's add the second branch. The second branch which is connected between bus number 1 and 2. The branch impedance of J0.1. Here, this step number 2, add a branch of impedance J0.1 from the old bus 1 to new bus 2. Here, the bus number 1 is called old bus because this bus number 1 is already exit in step number 1. That bus number 2 is now introduced in step number 2. So, here in step number 2, the bus number 2 is new bus. There draw the equivalent circuit for this step. Here the impedance J.1 is connected between old bus 1 and new bus 2. This is come under case number 2. Here in case number 2, the bus impedance matrix is equal to previous bus impedance matrix. Then here one bus is increased, so one column and row elements are increased. The column and row elements are just to copy the previous column element and previous row elements. The diagonal element is equal to sum of previous diagonal element plus this new branch impedance. This new branch impedance is 0.01. 0.01. Therefore, the bus impedance matrix is like this. Now let's go to step number 3. Here in step number 3, here add another one branch, J.2 between bus number 2 and 3. Here in case of bus number 3, the bus number 2 is the old bus and bus number 3 is the new bus. That is, here add a branch of impedance J.2 from old bus 2 to new bus 3. The bus 2 is called old bus in step number 3 because the bus number 2 is already exit in step number 2. Here the bus number 3 is only introduced newly. So therefore, the equivalent circuit becomes, this is the already exiting equivalent circuit. This one is the new branch added circuit. Here Here also, this is case number 2. Old bus to new bus. That is case number 2. Therefore, here in case the new bus impedance matrix is equal to the previous bus impedance matrix, then increasing column and increasing row by 1. The column elements are just to copy this last column elements. The row elements are just to copy the last row elements. The diagonal element is equal to sum of previous diagonal element plus this new branch impedance. That value is j 0.2. Now check the order of the matrix. Here the order of the matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. The number of buses in the equivalent circuit is 3 except reference bus. So this one is the exact impedance matrix of this network. Now let's go to step number 4. Here in step number 4, add another one branch. I am going to add this branch J1.25 between the bus number 3 and the reference bus. Here the bus number 3 is the old bus in case of step number 4, because this bus number 3 is exit in step number 3 and the reference bus also already there in the previous steps. That is the adding the branch of impedance J1.25 from old bus 3 to reference bus. This case is old bus to reference bus, means this is come under case number 3. There are redraw the diagram for this case. Here the red marked symbol is the new branch impedance added between the old bus 3 to reference bus. In this case, the bus impedance matrix is modified by adding one branch, adding one column and one row. That is similar to that of case number 2. Here the new column element is equal to the previous column element. New row element is previous row element. Then the diagonal element is the sum of previous diagonal element plus this is the previous diagonal element J0.4 plus this new branch impedance J1.25. The summation is J1.65. Then check the order of the matrix. This is 4 by 4 matrix. The number of buses in this equivalent circuit is 3. Here 3, here the order is 4. These two are not match. So this one is the not the exact Z bus matrix of this network. So I here mark Z bus dash. Now we are going to find the actual bus impedance matrix of this network. For that, here the elimination is required. We want to eliminate the last column and the last row by using this elimination formula. Zjk actually is equal to Zjk minus Zjn plus 1 Zn plus 1k divided by Zn plus 1 into n plus 1. Using this formula, you modify the old values and eliminate the last column and last row. First of all, I am going to calculate the new or the actual diagonal elements, modified diagonal element. Your first diagonal element is Z11 actual. Z11 actual is equal to Z11 old, this is the old value. Then Z14, this is Z14. Then Z41, 41 divided by Z44. Then substitute all the values, then calculate the values J.094. Then second diagonal element Z22 actual. Z22 actual is equal to Z22 old, that is J.2 minus Z24, Z24, this is Z24, J.2, then Z42, J.2 divided by Z44, J1.65. Then simplify, get J.176. The next diagonal element is a 33 actual. Is a 33 actual is equal to is a 33 volt J 0.4 minus is a 34. This is 34. Then this is 43 divided by Z 44. Then substitute all the values. You get J 0.303. Then I am going to calculate the off diagonal element. Here the off diagonal elements values are same. That is Z12 actual is equal to Z21 actual. That is a symmetric matrix. Here calculate that is equal to Z12 actual is equal to Z12 volt, that is J 0.1 minus Z14 J 0.11, then Z42 J 0.2 divided by Z44 J 1.65. Substitute all the values, you get J 0.088. The next off diagonal element Z13 actual. Z13 actual is equal to Z31 actual. That is equal to Z13 volt, that is J 0.1 minus Z14 J 0.1, Z43 J 0.4 divided by Z44 J 1.65. The value J 0.076. Similarly, we calculate the another one, last off diagonal element Z23 actual, that is equal to Z32 actual. Then here substitute all the values, get J 0.152. Therefore, the bus impedance matrix becomes Z bus is equal to, substitute all the values. Now the bus impedance matrix is the order 3. Then the number of buses in the system also 3. So this one is the actual bus impedance matrix of the system. Now finally, now we are going to the last step, last element. That is, the last element is J 0.1. The element is connected between the bus number 3 and bus number 1. Here bus number 3 and bus number 1 both are already exist bus, that is the old buses. Here the J 0.1, the branch impedance of J 0.1 is connected between bus number 3 and bus number 1. Bus number 3 and bus number 1 both are old buses. So this is come under case number 4. In case of case number 4, form the bus impedance matrix, that is the original matrix, that is copy it from the previous step, then form the new column and new row. The new column and new rows are formed by between 1 and 3. So subtract the buses 1 and 3. Subtract the column 1 and 3, you get these values. Similarly, the last row is get the subtract the first bus column and the third bus column, you get the new column. Then they calculate the diagonal element. The diagonal element is equal to branch impedance plus Z11. Z11. Here the branch, one end of the branch is connected to first bus. So here put Z11. The another one end of the branch is connected to third bus. Z33 minus 2 into Z13. 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 This is the formula. Here substitute the value. The base impedance. This is the base impedance J 0.1 plus Z11. Z11. That is J 0.09. Then Z33. This is Z33. J 0.303 minus 2 into Z13. That is J 0.076. Simplify, you get minus J 0.152. Put it in the diagonal points. Now check the order of the matrix. Here the order of the matrix is 4. The number of buses in the system is 3 except reference bus. The number of buses and the order are not matches. So this matrix is not a actual impedance matrix of the system. So we want to eliminate the last column, last row by using the elimination formula. The elimination formula, you know, ZJK is equal, ZJK actually is equal to ZJK minus Zj into n plus 1, Zn plus 1 into k divided by Zn plus 1 into n plus 1. Here you modify this all the elements, so that the last column and the last rows are eliminated. First, I am going to calculate the diagonal element. Then I am going to calculate the off diagonal element. The diagonal element, first diagonal element is Z11 actual. Z11 actual is equal to Z11 old minus Z14 then Z41 divided by Z44. Substitute the values, you get J0.096. Then second diagonal element Z22 actual. Modify this value. Z22 actual is equal to Z22 old, that is J0.176. Then minus Z24 minus J0.064 divided by into Z42 minus J0.064 whole divided by Z44 minus J0.152. Substitute the values, you get J0.202. Similarly, calculate Z33 actual. Z33 actual value is J0.642. Z12 actually is equal to Z12 old minus Z14, Z42 whole divided by Z44. Substitute the values, the answer J0.08. Then say next calculate Z13 actual, that is equal to Z31 actual, that is equal to Z31 13 old, this is 13 old minus Z14 into Z43 divided by Z44. Substitute the values, you get J0.05. Then finally calculate Z23 actual, that is equal to Z32 actual. Here substitute all the values from this matrix, you get the answer J0.246. Now the matrix becomes Z bus is equal to J0.096, J0.08, J0.05. Then second row J0.08, J0.202, J0.246. Then third row J0.05, J0.246, J0.642. This matrix, the order of the matrix is 3 by 3. The network also has number of buses 3. So these two are matches. So this is the original bus impedance matrix. This is our answer.